Before replacing the temperature sensor, please make sure that the reasons for its failure are clearly understood to prevent the failure from reoccurring. It is suggested to perform the onboard diagnostics test to highlight any potential issues, such as a faulty wiring. Carefully remove the sensor connector and loosen the head nut. Then remove the old sensor. Unbox the Dinex temperature sensor, lubricate the thread and install it. Do not over-tighten the nut. Reattach the connector plug, then turn on the ignition key and see if no OBD errors appear. Start the truck and let it idle for a few minutes to make sure OBD errors do not appear during operation.